on the issue of attendance?
Yeah. There are two primary issues on that. The first one, Mr. Chairman, allow me to introduce to you a letter from Dr. Eric Munene Muriuki, who addressed this letter at our request to confirm that the respondent is indisposed. She was admitted in Nairobi Hospital on 16th of February and is currently still undergoing treatment. Let me have the pleasure of passing it so that Mr. Chairman, you could have a look. So in those circumstances, the respondent was not able to be with us and would be requesting, therefore, that we try and reschedule the hearing to such time, perhaps by conjecture or prediction, as when she might be available.
The committee therefore gives the following directions. 1, that the application for adjournment is allowed. 2, this matter shall proceed to full hearing on Tuesday, 8th March 2022 at 9 a.m. at the Commission Boardroom 6th floor Anniversary Towers. 3, that for purposes of preserving the sanctity of the hearing of this case on breach of the Electoral Code of Conduct, and so as to avoid prejudices to the fair determination of this case, the respondent, Honorable Sabina Chege, is directed either by herself or through counsel to refrain from commenting on the case in public.